Remember this Samsung VHS remote sensor, auto repeat, noise cancel, still, stop, FF, play, rewind, eject, power button here, eject, okay. This is where you need to insert the tape cassette. See, there is already a cassette inside. Okay, this is a head cleaner, Nippon Ace video head cleaning tape. This is also like a video cassette without reel. Okay. This is the back side. Samsung video cassette player, model number PV981R. Samsung shock hazard, do not open. This is the downside. I don't know whether it will work or not, but I will test it later. Okay, tracking. I will upload another video if it works. Samsung VHS. This is the motherboard inside, I think, and the tape is also inside, you can see it. I will try to play the cassette. I will upload a video. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.